Mbote Sangonini. Hi guys, welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're here for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the notification so we send you the messages whenever we upload new videos. And make sure to like and share this video with your friends and families so you can learn Lingala language together. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to say I don't care in Lingala. I don't care in Lingala is etali ngai te. Etali ngai te. Example, I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say is etali ngai te nini bazoloba. Etali ngai te nini bazoloba. Etali ngai te nini bazoloba. Second example, I don't care about your race. Etali ngai te soki ozali moto ya loposo nini. Etali ngai te soki ozali moto ya loposo nini. Last example, I don't care about your past life. I don't care about your past life in Lingala is etali ngai te bomoi na yo ya kala. Etali ngai te bomoi na yo ya kala. Etali ngai te bomoi na yo ya kala. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.